What's going on, everybody? In the micro futures trading community, today is December 28th, Tuesday, 6:02 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. One hell of a start to the week yesterday with the futures taking off like a rocket. We are going to run through some of the micro futures this morning, kicking this one off with the Dow Jones, the Micro E-mini Dow, the March 22s. This morning we are up 71 handles. We are breaking out to the upside. Looks like we printed a higher low here. We're above the 50-day, we're above the 21-day, and I don't have it on the chart, but we are well above the 200-day. We are getting lots and lots of new entries across the board in the market here in many different market sectors. It's extremely bullish, and we will see how the future holds heading into the 2022 new year. Wrapping up the market this week for 2021. Market's up, referring to the SPY, is up 30% as of yesterday. Unbelievable. So here we are at the Dow, up 77 handles this morning. And as of yesterday's close, we would expect the markets to be up today. All right, so let's head into the NASDAQ. Let me zoom in a little bit here. NASDAQ as well as the Dow up like a monster yesterday. Lots of stocks across the board up. Apple was up, Tesla was up, and you can go down the list in the tech sector. NASDAQ, Micro E-mini NASDAQ 100, March 22s, up 83 handles this morning, breaking out above the 50-day, above the 21-day, well above the 200-day. All of the Patreon market signals were posted last night, and those positions are holding strong with stops in place. If you're interested in trading the micro futures and you would like entry and exit signals on a daily basis, I will leave a link below this video to the Patreon group if you would like to trade the smaller futures contracts, which are the micros, which is what we follow here. So that's a look at the NASDAQ. Similar to the Dow, taking off like a rocket. Let's jump into the Micro E-mini S&P 500 March 22 contracts, which are the front month contract. Up 11 3/4 this morning, trading at 47.94, well above the 50-day, the 21-day, well above the 200-day moving average. We are in all-time high territory for the Micro E-mini S&P futures contracts, taking off like a rocket. Unbelievable. If you keep your emotions out of the market and just follow the trading signals, you will be in positions and out of positions when the market either takes off to the upside or when the market's ready to roll over to the downside. That is the beauty of following trading signals and definitely not trading off emotions. That would not be a good way to run a business, off your emotions. Got to have your trading rules, got to follow your trading rules. So we're up at 11 1/4, 47.93.50 for the micro E-mini S&Ps. All right. Heading up to the Russell. Micro E-mini Russell 2000 March 22s. We are up 2.6 handles this morning at 6:07 a.m. The Russell, we actually just closed out in the Patreon group. We were short for a majority of this run here, and we were stopped out yesterday, and this position actually sits flat. So there's a little bonus for anybody who's not in the Patreon group. We are flat, the Russell Micro Futures. Long entries and both short entries are posted for those who would like to trade the Russell 2000. Unlike the other three indices we went through, the Russell is below the 50-day and it is above the 21-day moving average. Heading to anybody who likes to trade the Bitcoin, whether you trade the full-size future, whether you trade Bitcoin alone, or if you're interested in trading the micro Bitcoin futures, smaller contract than the full size. We have a separate group on Patreon that only is signals for the micro Bitcoin futures, both long and short, with protective stops for each side. We are down right now 2,300 points for the micro Bitcoin futures, trading at 49,180. We had a very, very nice short Bitcoin trade that was closed out the other day for a nice profit, which is shown in the Patreon group. We currently are flat, the Bitcoin micro futures, waiting for the next signal to be triggered. Bitcoin micros are below the 50 and below the 21-day moving averages. We can see we had a nice double top here before they rolled over. Everybody calling for those higher Bitcoin prices. Who knows if that'll happen up here in the $70,000 range. If it does happen, anybody following our long signals will be well established at much lower prices before it gets to those levels. So that is just a quick market recap of December 27th. Just wanted to run through the futures, give my thoughts. Here's another quick look at the Dow. We're at 36,253. The NASDAQ, 16,641.50. That is not the chart I want. Here we are at the S&Ps. We are at 47.93 3/4. And let's see, the micro Bitcoins, 49,180. And to finish this off, the micro E-mini Russell 2000, 2261.90. All right, everybody, have a great day. Enjoy this market. Do not fight the trend, no matter what your emotions tell you. The great thing about trading rules is they don't have any emotions. The hardest part is following the rules. All right, I'll leave some links below this video. We are currently looking at the Tastyworks trading platform, which has many of the micros listed, as well as I will click here and I'll show you. We have a bunch of cryptos listed on Tastyworks as well for anybody who's interested in trading cryptocurrency. All right, take care. I will see you all in the next video. Have a good day.